In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders around images in Google Docs. Whether you're prepping a report, designing a presentation, or just looking to add a bit of flair to your document, adding a border can elevate the visual appeal effortlessly. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. The first step is to click on the image you would like to enhance with a border. This is the image you wish to highlight, unify with your document's theme, or simply make stand out. Once you click on it, you'll notice a toolbar that conveniently appears at the top of your Google Docs interface. This toolbar offers a range of options specifically for image customization. Now, let's talk color. To adjust the border color, direct your attention to an icon that looks like a pencil resting over a horizontal line. This is the border color icon. Click on it, and a palette of colors will unfold before you. Feel free to choose a color that complements your document, whether it's a bold red to capture attention, a subtle gray for elegance, or any shade in between. Select the one that best aligns with your vision. This color will frame your image, adding a personal touch. With the color now selected, let's move on to adjusting the thickness of your border. This is where the border weight icon comes into play, symbolized by a line capped with a horizontal arrow on each end. Click this icon, and a menu will drop down displaying various point sizes. Here, you can choose how thick or thin you'd like the border to be. If subtlety is key, a smaller point size will offer a delicate outline. Alternatively, opt for a larger size if you're going for something more pronounced. After the color and thickness are set, you might want to play with the style of your border. For this, click on the border dash icon, which appears as a line with small dashes. Once you click it, you're presented with options to switch between a solid line, a dotted line, and a dashed line. Each style offers its own aesthetic: solid for classic simplicity, dotted for a playful feel, or dashed for something with a bit more edge. Choose the style that resonates with your desired look and feel. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your image now boasts a beautiful border that can complement the rest of your document seamlessly. Remember, these options are all accessible within Google Docs, making it easy and convenient to tailor your document to your precise specifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting documents that not only inform, but also captivate.